Hello, I am Devarajan, Managing Director, Dev Solar, a company doing projects in solar. Company is located in Coimbatore, and for the past 3 years we have done more than 800 installations in solar off-grid, on-grid systems in domestic, industry, hospitals and commercial establishments. Apart from that, we also have done a project in agriculture, which in turn at present we are running up to 20 HP submersible pumps and open well pumps in solar without changing the pump and not even changing the pipes or anything. Now I like to briefly tell about the off-grid solar system which was installed in a house, which you are going to see now. This system, in this particular house, we have installed 7.5 kilowatt panels, which in turn generate a power of approximately an average sunshine day. It will generate 35 units of power, which the power is used for the complete application in the house. Even that house don't have an electric connection at all. In this, now you are seeing that house, and almost the panels what we erected in the house you are seeing now. These panels is a capacity of 250 watts each, and that was erected facing south. All the panels has been erected. Now these panels what you are seeing is elevated in the northern side and down in the south with an angle of 11 degrees, and it was installed in the upper floor of the house. At one place we have installed 5 kilowatts panel, and another place we have installed 2.5 kilowatts panel. These panels are placed in such a manner that even the sun light falls above the panels, start from the morning 8 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock very comfortably without any shades it may fall on it. See, this is another place where we have installed 2.5 kilowatt panels. Almost even though the house is surrounded with so many trees, but the panels has been kept such a manner that the sunshine and then sun light falls above the panels from morning 7 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock very comfortably without any disturbance. This is a 2.5 kilowatt panel you are seeing now. The panels we are using both monocrystalline and polycrystalline cells. The cells has been imported from abroad, which no one makes in India, and we make our panels modules in our factory located in Coimbatore. Now you are seeing the power which was produced from the panels brought down to the ground floor, where the power has been stored through the batteries. We got 20 batteries has been installed in this place, with an off-grid inverter also installed in that place. Now you are seeing the off-grid inverter, which in turn give all the details regarding how much the power is produced through the panel, and how much power is stored in the battery, and what is the battery capacity, and beyond that how much power is getting inside for the usage purpose, how much it goes. That also we can see the readings. Now you are seeing the display on the off-grid inverter, which in turn give complete reading regarding the battery, what is the battery voltage at the time of when we are shooting, and what kind of load it takes. Now at present you can see that around 1560 watts is consumed inside the house. Whether it may be in the off-grid system, or whether that even that got a provision to run a pump, which gardening also can be done, and even that pump is connected in this line. Now you are seeing the pump is run through the solar power generated through the panels, which was stored in the batteries, and again it was taken to run the pump, which is gardening is going on. Now in this house, if you see the lights, most of the lights we have installed is an LED lights, which is 24 watts capacity. And you can see now it's the lights is burned and the fan is rotating. See, basically this indication is that we are showing that the process is going on through the solar power. See, the house is approximately an area of more than 8,000 square feet, and most of the lights that used in the ceiling is in LED ceiling lights, and other things like the house got a lot of decorative lights and other things, but make it on a word that house don't have an EB connection at all, and everything is connected through this solar system itself. That is, the solar panels are generating the power, in turn the power is brought down and it was given for the consumption, and balance power is stored in the batteries, and after the sunset the battery power is used for the usage purpose, start from the light, fan, grinders, mixies, hot plates, air conditioners, everything is connected in the thing, and the average production is going on approximately 35 units on an average sunshine day. Even the house got an office, which in turn all the systems are connected in that, and it got an Wi-Fi, which in turn also that is 24 hours in operation, which is connected to the same line itself. Now you are seeing the place where the music systems are connected, and it got the house got a CCTV for the complete place, which also connected in the system itself. And here there is no limitation on the thing. What we are clearly telling in this program is, see, there is no limitation that you should connect only the light, you should connect only the fans, you should not connect this, that, not like that. Everything in this house can be connectable through the solar system. See the kitchen, so you can see 100% of the application start from the hot plates. You are seeing now the hot plate is working now, that is going on now, and beyond that the grinders are there, that also in operation. You got juicers, you got mixie, everything is connected in the same system. See, only thing is when we connect the systems, before we put up the inverter, any system when we design for an off-grid, the inverter we have to study the house completely, what kind of peak load it's going to take during the time, at a time. So based on the thing, the inverter has to be designed and the inverter capacity has to be designed. There is so what we are clearly here telling is, anything can be connectable. Only thing is, before we decide the inverter capacity, we have to look into it, what kind of load it got and what kind of peak load it's going to take. Both the things has to be studied. Now you are seeing an air conditioner. It's a split air conditioner. Basically, this is an inverter air conditioners, which you all well know. The inverter air conditioners take less power than the regular air conditioners. This is a room size of approximately 16 by 16, which in turn connected through a 1 ton inverter AC is connected to that, and which in turn consume approximately 4 to 5 units in an average 8-hour operation. See, basically one thing this is very clear in this system is the solar system. See, since the power is produced in a DC current, which is converted to AC, basically it's a DC current is stored as it is in the batteries, and during the usage only it was converted to AC and fed it to the line. So you may not find any voltage fluctuation in this particular system. So generally the life of the lights or anything can be more than what you want it.